I am so excited because my brand new Beehive from Vevor just got delivered. Let's open this thing up. I cannot wait to show it to you guys because it has something really unique about it. Here it is. Let's crack into this bad boy and check it out. Okay, so I just got the box open, got everything out, and this right here is everything that came in the kit. And as you can see, first glance, the wood grain is stunning and everything is covered with a wax coating to keep it from rotting, so it's rot resistant. Really pretty, I love it. So that small box came with everything you need for a beehive. All of these pieces here are the different pieces that you use to put together your frames that go on the inside. This is for the brood, that is for the honey. This is the base of the hive. I love the wood grain, it's stunning. This is the top, this is the very, very top, and look at the wood grain in the bottom of this. And that's so pretty, absolutely beautiful. And then all the pieces over here to make your boxes, look at this. This is what's really unique about these. Okay, see that? It's not together yet. We still have to put all the hardware on, but it'll have windows and you can open up these windows and look inside and see the bees working, which I'm so excited about. My boys are going to absolutely love this. So anyway, that is everything that the kit comes with. All right, so we have to head out real quick because we are headed to a birthday party this evening. I just could not wait to open this up because I was so excited to see what it looked like in person because the pictures of this on Amazon look beautiful, and I'm glad to see that in person it looks just as nice as the pictures on the internet. Anyway, we're gonna go to this birthday party, and then if I have time tonight, I'll put it together. If not, I'll put it together tomorrow morning, so stay tuned for that. Wow, that was significantly easier to put together than I honestly thought it was going to be. You can see how the grooves just match up perfectly. And because it's coated in beeswax, it kind of slid into space really nicely. So I'll hold this up for example. You can see how these notches just naturally go together like that, and then you just pound them in. All right, let's keep building them. All right, so I got the 3 boxes put together. Oh, I love it. The wood grain is just so pretty. You can see how those, I think these are called dovetail ends, like on log cabins and stuff. If it's not that, oh well, I said it wrong, but you can see how the dovetail ends go together. And then over here, I have to put the knobs on and still do a few other things, but these are where your windows are. And there's 3 of them. One here, one there, and one there. You like that, buddy? 4-year-old approved. But that is so cool. Gives you a way to quickly access and look on the inside of your hives. Okay, let's finish putting it together. So looking at what we got left to put together, see there's a lot of hardware in here. Here's our cute little knobs and everything that we need to make our frame. So let's finish getting it together. Okay, other than making the rest of the frames, it's done. So check this out. I added on the little latches that go like this. And then this comes out, and in is the plexiglass layer. And I got that on all of them. It was really easy to put together. I'll show you, let me take these 2 things out to show you how it attaches on the inside. So every box comes with a bag of hardware like this, and it has 4 little screws. The 4 little screws are used to attach the plexiglass on the inside. And then the 2 bigger screws are used to attach these on the outside. And so we did that for all 3 boxes. And then I started putting my frames together. It was so easy. You just got your top piece, your bottom piece, your 2 side pieces. You stick your panel on the inside. There are grooves on the inside of these. Let me show you. See that? See that groove is? That's where the top and the bottom of this go in and holds together. And then let me flip this over because Then you just put 4 of your little nails, 1 on each corner to hold it together. Super easy, only takes about 1 or 2 minutes to build one. And then your honey ones are in the smaller box. So the sides of the honey ones, this side is smaller than the sides of your brood ones. And you can tell the color's different too. So your brood is black and your honey is obviously the honey yellow color. So I've made a bunch of the black ones for the 2 big boxes, which are the brood boxes. And then I've made a couple for the honey boxes. I'm gonna finish making all of these and then it's done. We can put it together. Okay, just got it all done. So in my 2 brood boxes, I've got 10 frames. Those are the black frames. And then in my honey super, I have 9 frames. You always do less frames in your honey one. That way there's room for the bees to draw up that honeycomb on each side of the frame. So everything is in there. Also, underneath the top is that part. So I just want to show you, I did get that on there. Let's take it down to my bees. So I'm going to take it down to my beehive real quick. I have a new hive that was just caught by a local beekeeper. It's a swarm. So right now all of the bees are just in one box. So I'm going to take all of those bees out and transition them over into this new hive. And here it is. Outside. We've had it outside for about 2 weeks. And we've had the bees in it since then. You can see down here all the bees that are coming and going. They're doing great. They're flourishing. In about another 2 weeks, I will pop it open for the first time and see how everything looks inside, but I don't want to disturb the bees yet. I kind of want them to get situated and get well established before I start popping this thing open. But I love the beehive. It is so nice and it is beautiful. And that's it. Now I need to go get my bee suit on and get out my push mower and my weed whacker, because as you can tell with all the rain we have gotten recently, the weeds and the grass are flourishing around this beehive and I need to definitely get it all cut down so my poor little bees can get in and out of this beehive. But anyway, love this beehive. It's amazing. Of course, the link to this product off of Amazon by Vevor is going to be down in the description below. Let us know if you have any questions. Otherwise, happy beekeeping and happy homesteading.